Here's a look at the wood. Silver maple, so it's quite a hard wood. Lengths of the pieces are about 4.5 to 5 feet long. Decent sized logs here. And we got quite a bit of smaller logs here. This one here would be a really nice long piece. There's a cut through here, so but we'll still get 4.5 feet probably out of that length. First thing I'm gonna do is go through here and cut the nubs off, pieces that are irregular and sticking out. Gonna be using the Ms881 Alright, got the saw started. Alright guys, having a bit of a problem here. We had these bolts right here, we had them tightened up too much. So then what happened is it was pushing this nut into this rail, and so it was making it so the chain couldn't spin. My recommendation would be if it's your first time using this, and even if it's not, probably just bring your whole toolbox out here anyways, because you're probably going to need it. Alright, here's kind of the first main piece. This was cut at 2.5 inches. Nice grain going on in there. Morning guys, it's the next day, February 8th, about 9:30 in the morning. As you can tell, it's kind of cloudy, but it's still only about -6. So we're out here, we're gonna get started on the milling again.